morning all. Today we are going to do a role play on MERN stack concept on full stack development. So our role play is to help the student to understand how to build a smart campus system by using MERN stack approach.
So as a role play, we are building a team cooperation as a team, building a smart campus app using MERN stack, and Sanjay Karthik play a role as team lead, Shahidasi play a role as database manager, Sanjay play a role as backend developer, and Sanjay Raj play a role as tester, and Asami I play a role as front-end developer.
Every day I struggle to find classes, schedules, announcements. It's so scattered in the app. It's so problematic for me.
Yeah, actually I agree with you. Many students, including me, face this problem regularly.
So this is the good observation. So first we have to empathize. That means we have to understand what are all the problems which is faced by the users.
And let me talk to more students and collect more painful points from them.
Yeah, I need everything in one app. That will be so helpful.
So the scene 2 is define phase.
Actually, even though there are many platforms where we can gather resources for academic purpose, there is no centralized platform. This has been a major problem for everyone.
Yes, but it does not update in a real time for use.
So that's you have defined the problem in a very clear way. Is ideate phase.
Let's build a smart campus app.
So let's use a React for a user-friendly interface, which was useful for handle to user.
Yeah, we use MongoDB for flexibility to store your data.
We use backend with Node.js and Express for API handling.
So according to the inputs from you, we are going to use MERN stack approach.
So you have provided a good idea. So you just think about the features. That means what are all the features we can add on the smart campus system.
We might need features like notifications, upload lectures, leave timetable, and many more.
4 is prototype development.
I designed a simple UI and front-end development where the students can easily access their notes, lecturers, and their important notifications. It was a more useful idea. Nowadays, most of the school or college websites they're not using a notification thing. Let's provide a new notification system which was easy to access their important announcements.
Due to the concern and probability, I created API to update and fetch data according to the demand.
The database stores user data, which is known as which are the types user name, user ID, and the user schedule, and more details about the user data for our
So this is our prototype with user-friendly front-end and efficient back-end and everything.
So you are using login and dashboard system for accessing the student data, and it helps to upload the notes by the faculty members, which can also be downloaded by the students. So this is a very good idea for developing a prototype. So next we discuss about the testing phase.
The login is working very well, but then the notifications are too slow. I cannot visit it as quick as possible, so that I cannot get the information quickly. Login based on how it works, let's check the backend.
Yeah, I also use to check and improve on database.
So you have to check the queries, what are all the queries given by the user, both student and faculty members, and you have to rectify the queries on the database.
Okay, I will enhance UI responsive, and I responsibility taking the front-end UI clearly, which was a smoother experience for users.
We will help to refine the smart campus tracking system in an efficient way. So you had a wonderful role play on how to develop a smart AI campus system using our MERN stack. So each one played a role on backend, front-end developer, database admin, and also the tester, and also an empathizer. So what do you finally conclude to say about this?
We solved this layered problem for a student using a design thinking approach, which is composed of empathize, define, ideate, and prototype testing. And we also use non-stack approach to make this project user-friendly and easy to access.
And choosing React for front end, it's make the UI to more interactive.
This UI interactive Node and Express handling the logic.
MongoDB is handles the data more efficiently.
It's a NoSQL database, so it helps to handle the data in an efficient way.
Now students will have an easy to use app where they can also report if there's some problem, and they should be grateful for this.
So this is a good work, and we can say that this is how the innovation will meet the technology on how to develop an application in an efficient way. So thank you all for having this wonderful role play on MERN application on building a smart tracking system. Thank you all.
Thank you.